Very wonderful morning, dear kids. Hello, my dear. Hello, how are you all? Yes, whenever I ask you hello, how are you all? So, what you tell? Yes, I am fine, thank you. Okay? Yes, today is Monday and we are going to learn one. Which subject we are going to learn on every Monday? Yes, that is English subject. Yes, dear kids? Okay, today we are going to learn one new topic. Yes? Okay? Yes, dear kids. Now tell me, what is the meaning of... Yes, dear kids. Now tell me, what is the meaning of where? W-H-E-R-E. Where means kahan. As you already learned, there are, there is. Yes. Like the same way, which is the spelling? Yes. W-H-E-R-E. Where means kahan. Yes, what is the spelling of where? W-H-E-R-E. Where means kahan. Okay. Then W-H-O. Who means कौन. Who means कौन, है ना? तो और yes. Yes, dear kids, using these words, today we are going to see some of the question and answers. Yes, where means kahan, who means own, who means कौन. Yes, dear kids? Okay. Now, tell me where at the very first. Yes, dear kids, now look at this picture, beta. Yes, look at this picture very carefully. So, yes, now look at this picture. The question is, where are the boys? है ना? ये बच्चे, ये लड़के लोग कहाँ पर है? इसका क्वेश्चन क्या बनेगा बेटा? Where are the boys? So, आंसर क्या रहेगा उसका? Yes. What is the meaning of where means कहाँ, है ना? Boys लोग कहाँ है? Okay. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? कहाँ पर है? Boys कहाँ पर है? Okay. लड़के कहाँ है? इसका मतलब ये है. अब उसका आंसर क्या रहेगा बेटा? The boys are at the cricket pitch. Okay. Yes. Question is, where are the boys? Yes, where means कहाँ होता है? तो बेटा, the boys are at the cricket pitch. लड़के कहाँ हैं? क्रिकेट है. इसका मतलब ये हुआ. ओके. नाउ द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज, वेयर इज द मदर? वेयर, W-H-E-R-E. वेयर इज द मदर? माँ कहाँ पर है? है ना? इसका मतलब ये हुआ, द मदर इज. आंसर में क्या लिखोगे बच्चों? द मदर इज इन द किचन. मीन्स रसोई घर पर है. Yes. Look at this question, beta. Where is the mother? माँ कहाँ पर है? The mother is in the kitchen. माँ जो है रसोई घर पे है. ठीक है. अब now third question. Yes. Now the third question is who is sleeping? Who means कौन सोया है. इसका मतलब ये है कौन सोया है. ओके. So now I will show the picture. Yes. The next question is look at this picture carefully, dear kids. Look at this picture carefully. The mother is in the kitchen. Okay. Have you seen this picture? Yes. Now look at the question. Where is the mother? Where is the mother? माँ कहाँ पर है? The mother is in the kitchen. माँ रसोई घर पर है. ठीक है. Now who is sleeping? One more picture I am going to show you. Yes. Now look at this picture, beta. What is the question? Who is sleeping? Who is sleeping? What will be the answer? Who is she? The girl. G-I-R-L. Girl is sleeping. S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G. After completing the sentence, please give the full stop, beta. Every sentence. Yes, ending of the sentence you have to stop like this. Okay, dear kids? Yes. Now look at this picture, dear kids. Look at this picture. Who is ill? Ill means bimar. Okay. Who is ill? Who is ill means कौन बीमार है. So what will be the answer? The boy. B-O-Y. Boy is ill. लड़का बीमार है ना बच्चों? So after writing this sentence, please give the full stop here. Okay, dear kids? Yes, dear kids. Now I will read all this question and answers. Okay. Where are the boys? Okay. The boys are at the cricket pitch. Okay, dear kids? The boys are at the cricket pitch. Now, second question. Where is the mother? The mother is in the kitchen. Now, third. Who is sleeping? The girl is sleeping. Now, fourth. Who is ill? The boy is ill. Yes, dear kids. After writing this question answer, please read all the question and answers, dear kids. Yes. Now take out page number 105. Now look at the pictures and answer the questions, beta. Yes. Look at these pictures carefully. According to this, you have to answer all these questions. Yes, dear kids? Yes. Now, beta, look at these pictures very carefully. Now, you have to answer according to this question. Okay? Now, who is washing the clothes? Yes. Now, in this, according to this picture, who is washing the clothes? clothes? Yes, that is Mrs. Shalini. So we will write this name here. Okay. Mrs. Shalini. S H A L I N I. Shalini. Mrs. Shalini is washing the clothes. Okay. Now tell me, who is playing with a ball? According to these pictures, who is playing with ball? Yes, that is Raju. So we will write this name here. Raju. R-A-J-U. Raju is playing with a ball. Okay, dear kids. Now look at the third question. Who is seeing the clothes? Yes. Now tell me, according to these pictures, who is seeing the clothes? Yes, that is Jenny. Okay. So we will write Jenny's name here. J-E-N-N-Y. Jenny is sewing the clothes. Okay, dear kids. Now read the question number 4. Who is watching the television? Okay. According to these pictures, beta, who is watching the television? Sorry, that is father. Yes. Who is watching the television? Father. Okay. So we will write the spelling of father here. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Yes, dear kids. By this way you have to complete this page. Okay, now we will read also. Who is washing the clothes? Mrs. Shalini is washing the clothes. Who is playing with a ball? कौन खेल रहा था गेंद के साथ? Raju is playing with a ball. Who is sewing the clothes? कौन कपड़े सी रहा था? Jenny is sewing the clothes. Who is watching the television? कौन टीवी देख रहा था? Father is watching the television. Okay. By this way you have to complete this page and send it to me along with reading. Okay, dear kids? Yes, I think you had understood today's topic, that is where and who, along with question tag, questions and answers. Yes, dear kids? So try to write all the question answers in your textbook also. Yes, dear kids, and send it to me. Yes. So till then, bye bye. Take care. See you.